visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, no, the reading is meant to find you. So, kung gusto nyo pong ma-shoutout please, comment nyo po ang inyong name at yung location ninyo para ma-shoutout ko kayo sa mga susunod na videos. Simulan na natin with the High Priestess, the 9 of Pentacles, and the 10 of Pentacles. Parang unti-unting na mi-meet yung expectation natin, no? Sa ginagawa ni person or gagawin ni person. Parang ang hindi lang ito mamimit, ma-exceed pa ni person. Meron tayo sigurong mga wishes, no? It can be direkta nating sinabi kay person. It can also be na sabihin nating pinagdasal natin, no? Yeah, we prayed for it, we wished for it, we requested for it, no? Parang mangyayari or gagawin ni person. Whether this is kahapon mo lang naisip, or whether it is matagal mo nang naisip, or matagal mo nang pinagdadasal. So nakikita natin ngayon yung mga changes. I feel like ito yung mga panahon na pwede nating sabihin yung harvest time, no? Nagbunga yung mga sacrifices natin, yung sleepless nights natin, no? At saka I feel like medyo nabalanse natin, no? Kung nagkaroon man kayo ng mga challenges before ni person, kaya ako nasabing nabalanse natin, pwedeng pwedeng sabihin natin dito na nag-ano din tayo, kahit papaano, no? Naging mahigpit or kung sa sobrang higpit natin, medyo naging lenient tayo for a little while, no? With the 10 of Pentacles, the World card, yeah, ang daming pagbabago. And the Enchantress, ang ganda naman nito. Parang very short, pero titignan pa natin ha. Kasi isa lang ang pino-point out, no, ng reading. Parang wish granted. Parang answered prayer. The World card, hindi man natin ine-expect, no, na pwedeng gawin ito ni person. Pero kaya. Hindi man natin ine-expect na si person ay, you know, kaya palang i-offer sa atin ito, kaya pala niyang gawin na, you know, magbago, no? Whether magbago siya sa relasyon na gawing mas better, no? Mas committed, or magbago siya sa sarili niya. Baka si person din kasi may mga vices, no? Baka nag-a-addict, no? Dati, so nung matagal mong pinagdasal na magtino, no? O parang gagawin niya yon without the rehab. Or pwede rin naman, no? Your person's going to ask for, you know, ang tawag doon, yeah, magpa-rehab. Pero meron ako nasa isip eh. Intervention, yan. With the Enchantress in here, I think that you have all the tools, you have what it takes to make it happen. With the Hermit and the Witch of Wands, Uy, malaking tulong ito ha, kasi it felt like it might be a self-thought, 'no? Baka nagbasa-basa din tayo ng mga libro, um, para sa issues na kinakaharap natin ka-person or issues na kinakaharap natin sa buhay together with the person, nakatulong, 'no? It can also be that you're watching, something sa YouTube, 'no, um, na self-help or it could be advices. Sana, 'no, ito yung mga readings na iyong pinapanood at sana nakatulong ako, 'no, sa inyo with the Witch of Wands kasi parang there's something in here that made you enlightened. Something in here that made you feel, "I cannot do it." Well, of course, you're doing it alone, pero you cannot do it with the wisdom, 'no, alone. So, there's something here na parang help, 'no, from the outside factor. Not really in your, circle of friends, not really in your dynamic with the person or dynamic with your family members. This is an outside factor. And good for you kasi yung wisdom na nakukuha mo dito with the hermit, parang guiding you into the right direction, 'no? Naku, sana naman ako ito, let me know sa comment section dahil, um, as a thank you na rin, 'no, para alam ko rin, 'no, kasi minsan nakakasawa yung read ka ng read, tapos may purpose pa ba 'tong ginagawa ko? Minsan naitatanong ko yun sa sarili ko, eh, 'no. May purpose pa ba yung ginagawa ko? Meron ba ako talagang natutulungan na tao? Well, at least let me know, 'no, para at least alam ko, it gives me, kind of like a boost para, gawin ko pa yung mga ginagawa ko kung kayo talaga yung natutulungan ko. So, with the Judgment, the Void, and the Seven of Swords. Nako, but may Seven of Swords. Let's clarify that. With the Three of Swords and the Witch of Pentacles. It felt like isa sa mga naging issues nyo dito is infidelity or third-party situation. Feeling ko talagang nasaktan tayo doon, 'no? Feeling ko with the Three of Swords talagang umiyak tayo, 'no? Talagang yung immaturity ni person, hindi niya nakikita yung pain na ipinadama niya sa atin. Hindi niya nakita yung complications, kung paano ka nag-suffer, 'no? It felt like talagang mahabang-mahabang pasensya ang ginugol mo dito. It also felt like hindi lang isang balding iyak, baka isang buong swimming pool na iyak, 'no, ang talagang ginawa mo dito. With the Witch of Pentacles kasi nakita din natin dito na unti-unti, 'no, na unti-unti man yung mga changes ni person. It may not be, you know, sa isang aglap. Well, gano'n naman talaga, 'no? Changes won't happen overnight. Pero kasi ang nakikita natin dito more of kahit unti-unti siya nakikita mo yung progress. And now parang ito na yung harvest na alam mo, parang may pat on the back, 'no? Or you're patting yourself, 'no? On your back or your shoulder kung saan pa man 'yan, 'no? Um, sinabi mo siguro sa sarili mo, tama yung decision mong hindi ka bumitaw, hindi ka bumigay, 'no? So, ngayon harvest na, puwede ka ng umupo sa iyong trono, 'no? Puwede mo ng sabihin na nagbunga, 'no, yung mga paghihirap ko at sacrifices ko sa kanya. So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, let me know kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Let me know kung kayo natutulungan ko. Comment also your name and kung yung location ninyo para at least ma-shoutout ko kayo sa mga susunod na videos. At kung kayo may mga katanungan, no? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign. Um, lalabas ang kanilang zodiac sign dito or yung ascendant. If not, a placement in their chart. I'm talking about the Vedic sidereal, no? Chart. Syempre, reading mo to. Kung hindi lumabas ang zodiac sign mo, it could be a placement din, no, ng iyong chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Libra, Aries, Aquarius. I'm seeing Leo, Virgo, Capricorn. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light na, oy, Cancer. Yan. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.